First, I usually set my brows using a setting powder or a loose powder. Then I brush up my brows using a spoolie. After that, I go in with my eye pencil, which I use Davis lip liner number 3, which I really love, and you'll get to see why. Then when I'm doing the upper parts, I usually leave a little bit of space from the beginning to avoid that boxy look like the 90s brows. Then you're supposed to make sure you arc those corners, arch, whatever it is. After that, I fill in my brows with the same eye pencil, but I usually do that halfway. So you can darken your brows according to your desire. When I'm done shading, I take my spoolie and I start brushing in between the shaded and the unshaded parts. If you want good brows, blend those brows, blend in those brows, blend in until you have acquired the ombre look. So the next part is concealing our brows. I usually go in with my foundation in order to match my skin tone, since it is a day-to-day eyebrow look. So the trick about concealing is when you're using that brush, you lay it flat on your face. Don't hold it like a pencil. Just lay it flat, since it is a flat brush, and you'll acquire those defined lines. So you conceal the lower part. You can leave the upper part, but you can also conceal it. So as for me, I like concealing both sides, the lower part and the upper part. So you conceal it slowly and nicely. So as for me, I love fake brows because of my facial structure, but you can conceal according to the size that you want and your face structure. Yes. So if you have a similar facial structure like mine, these are the best brows to do. They ain't that high or that low. So the last part is to clean up the excess. I use my sponge to remove the excess. I usually wipe the concealer off, since it is a day-to-day look without foundation. Thank you guys for watching, and welcome back for more videos. Dragon motor testing. Wow.